Standard Time. These are... issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Fairfield County in central South Carolina, eastern Newberry County in central South Carolina, north central Lexington County in central South Carolina, northwestern Richland County in central South Carolina, until 6:45 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 5:53 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Newberry College, or over Newberry, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, golf ball size hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Newberry, VC Summer Nuclear Station, Prosperity, Newberry County Airport, Jenkinsville, Newberry College, Chapin, Little Mountain, Pomeria, Silver Street, Peak, Lighthouse Marina, Newberry County Detention Center, US 176 and South Carolina, 34 Crossroads, Fairview Fire Station, Putnam's Landing, White Rock, Mid-Carolina High School, Rocky Point Recreation Area, and Bush River Fire Station. This includes Interstate 26 between mile marker 64 and 96. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:45 p.m. Eastern Standard Time for the following counties in South Carolina, Fairfield, and Newberry. The National Weather Service in Columbia has issued a severe thunderstorm.
These two radios here, the 12-257 and the 12-254, both from RadioShack, really do go along when they're both together.